my name's Jacqueline Hakula. I'm the River Restoration Assistant, and today we're on the Lower Rouge River in Dynamite Park in Wayne. So we're out here to share our beautiful river with you today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for joining us on the river today. We hope that you could get outside and enjoy some beautiful nature for yourself, because as always, nature is always open. So we'll see you next week for Take Me to the River on our beautiful Rouge. Have a great day.